I don't have too much time. There's one. What's going on, folks? My name is Josh. You guys are watching The Outdoor Dude. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Today's video, we have about an hour before I have a birthday party to get ready for. We're at the canal. Post-frontal conditions, but pressure is dropping. Quick storm passed through. We got some murkiness to this water now because we had a lot of rain. So let's get to fishing. 88 degrees. We got 12 mile an hour. 15 mile an hour winds. Hopefully it's not too bad. Water's still warm. Temperature didn't affect it too bad. As always, I've got a 3/8 ounce Googan Bait Zinger. Today we have paired it up with a Saucy Swimmer. Green Pumpkin Natural. These fish have pulled the cover after these storms. I have to go to the other side quick. We don't have a lot of time. Gotta make use of the time you have.
You're in the mood to walk a little bit?
I don't have too much time. There's one.
Holy shit. That's bigger than any fish we saw. I was about to say we just passed the school about half a mile down. Oh my God.
There's some good largemouth in here.
Dude, oh my God.
Check me out on YouTube. I'm the Outdoor Dude.
Dude, you're fucking the man.
Yeah, I gotta go to a birthday in an hour.
He's one of the biggest fish I've seen.
Thanks, man. Have a good one. Awesome. You are warm. Thank you, buddy. One heck of a bite, dude. He came out of that slime. Just blew that dude's mind. I looked over to my left to talk to that guy. That fish hammered. This is the time for the spinnerbait. We got wind, we got lots of cover, a little water, a little rain recently added to the mix. Fish. Oh, that's a pickerel. I know pickerel when I see one. Little guy. These things are nuts. See you later, buddy. Oh, dude.
Perfect.
Oh, holy crap, dude. Swallowed my own spit. Okay. Decent bass and a decent pickerel. We just blew that dude's friggin' mind. Man, that fish was like a pound. Super cool. We're moving down a little bit. We got a bass and a pickerel. Let's keep trying. Check this line. Gosh. The line is perfect. That Seaguar Red Label is some good stuff, guys. I'm not sponsored by them. I just picked it up. Ooh! I just picked it up to give it a try. Last year I wanted to buy some line, and it was all they had at the time. I bought it and never tried it. So I threw it on this rod this year. Give it a try. 7-to-1 bait caster. Medium heavy 7-footer. My 6-footer broke. Screen door friggin' shut on it. That's the downside of that storm coming through. We got a decent amount of friggin' leaves everywhere. I don't know, man, it's really weird. There's poison ivy everywhere down there, and I just got rid of it. I can't see the bush where it is. That is the sound of 20-pound breaking. Sounded like my rod exploded, dude. I can't even see the spinnerbait, dude. Dang! All right, we're gonna break out that swim jig and see if we can have the same effect. I lost my last good spinnerbait, man. Hello.
He's
Freaking poison ivy everywhere, man. Man, I don't know if the swim jig is gonna be the deal down. Lost my good spinner bait. I think I'm gonna have to get this one right on their head. Dude, this grapevine is so strong. I've lost so many baits to this crap. Not this one. You're right there, buddy. Try to jiggle it around, get that rattle in there to make some noise. Got one. Wow, that pickerel came up and nailed it, dude. Oh, he fell right off the jig. Gotcha. Decent little fish. See you later, buddy. Fun bite. But he destroyed that, man. That's the one thing about those fish. They are very aggressive. If you want to target them, you have to be super aggressive. A lot of rattle, a lot of noise, a lot of flapping, a lot of action. It's so crooked. Time check, time check. Oh my God, way less time than I thought. See if we can muster up another bite. There's a bird's nest in that little drain pipe. We had a little bit of a log jam down here damming it up. It appears to be gone now. Used to cluster up some bait fish over here and then turn the fish kind of clustered up over here. Oh, holy moly, something hammered it right as the bait landed. God, ooh. Kind of hoping we get back from this birthday before daylight's gone. Something circled around. I almost hit it with the bait and it circled around to follow it. I think it's a pickerel. All right, guys, I gotta go quick. Hopefully this wind will calm down and that temperature will rise a little bit by the time this birthday party ends, and then we can get back to fishing. Let's go. And that wind is actually picking up again. We were getting our bites on the other side. I just figured this side had more sun right now. In the evening, they might be stacking up. Yeah, well, I think we're gonna go back to the spinnerbait, man. There we go. Got a fish. Oh, lost the fish. Pickerel. No. No friggin' way. Give it back. Nope. Dang it, dude. Now we gotta go to the swim jig. Fish. There it is. Not for nothing. Got a bass. You're coming up, buddy. Yes. The night was not for nothing. Awesome. Not the biggest fish, but I got one. Finally. Man, I worked hard for that. He's biting me. See you later, buddy. Thank you for the fight. All right, guys, we have got the same bait on. Not as good. Line is good. We're gonna try to catch a couple more fish. I'm wondering if it was just a timing thing, man. There was nothing special about where that fish hit. It would be something if we just hit a right before dark type kind of flurry. It doesn't get dark till like 9 o'clock. We've got a little bit longer to fish, probably about 40 minutes. Let's try to catch another one. Ooh, ooh. Fish, yes. Keep them pinned, little buddy. No! No! Dude, I thought I had them. What happened? Could have had another fish, dude. Lost that dang fish. Fish. Got him. This is my 20-pound. Yes! I had to give it to him for a second. Wow. Dude, that fish took that bait down there. Look at that. Yes. Awesome. Spawned out. Look at her. Skinny. Well, healthy, but little belly. Super thankful for that fish. Thank you, buddy. Summertime bass. That fish was deep in that tree, dude. Way back there. I had to really thread the needle on that one and get between those two big branches. I had to fall for just a moment and that fish, boom! I could feel my line walking away from me. That's why I rock that 20-pound fluoro. It's very clean water, a lot of visibility. And then that fish pulled me into a thick, thick grass mat. All right, guys, we lost a spinnerbait, had to turn to the swim jig, and I think that may have affected the bite. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video and you like the baits that I'm using, support the companies that support me. Click the links in the description and check out Mystery Tackle Box and shopcarls.com. Use my code OutdoorDude, all one word. Link in the description. New customers only. Get your very first box for as little as $10. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, share this thing out. We'll help grow this thing out in the algorithm together, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Bye.